Just as mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity among typists and gamers for their durability, responsiveness, and tactile feedback, small farm owners are turning to compact, efficient wood chippers to streamline maintenance tasks. This guide evaluates the best wood chippers for small farms based on motor power, cutting capacity, ease of use, safety features, and portability. Whether you're clearing brush or making mulch, these models deliver serious performance in a small package. List 9. Speed Force Firewood Kindling Log Wood Splitter. No racks! Ideal for small farms that deal with firewood preparation. The Speed Force Firewood Splitter takes the danger and fatigue out of splitting logs. Unlike an axe, this manual wench system relies on leverage rather than brute force. Simply place the log inside the ring and hammer it down through the wedge. It splits safely and cleanly. The cast iron construction ensures durability and stability during use. List 2. Proyama 15-amp electric wood chipper with collection bag. The Proyama 15-amp electric wood chipper is a versatile and affordable solution for small farm owners who need to tackle light to medium yard debris. With its powerful 15-amp motor, it efficiently handles twigs, branches up to 1.73 inches, and garden waste. It features a collection bag, keeping your work area tidy, and comes with a push stick for safety. The lightweight design and wheels make it easy. List 9. Maxlander 15-amp electric wood chipper, shredder, mulcher, designed with efficiency in mind. The Maxlander 15-amp electric wood chipper is perfect for turning yard waste into nutrient-rich mulch. Its 1.77-inch cutting capacity and high-speed steel blades make short work of branches and leaves. The 50-liter collection bin helps contain debris, while the compact design and integrated wheels allow for easy storage and transport. The 15-amp motor is reliable for daily use on small farms and homesteads. One standout feature is its overload protection. List number: Wen 41119 electric wood chipper and shredder, 15-amp. From a trusted name in tools, the Wen 4119 electric wood chipper offers a powerful 15-amp motor and 130 cutting blades per minute, making it one of the most aggressive shredders in its class. It handles branches up to 1.5 inches thick and has a 2 6-inch wheel system for portability. List number 5. Aivolt 1800W electric leaf mulcher and wood chipper. The Aivolt wood chipper offers a bit more power with its 1800W 15-amp motor, making it ideal for small farm owners needing a more robust mulching and shredding tool. It can chip branches up to 1.8 inches and includes a collection bag for clean and organized yard work. This model also includes thermal protection to prevent overheating and extend the motor's life. Its lightweight frame and